Some say it's bad luck to walk under a ladder, but what about walking through a ladder? Well, our new Tolu 2 this morning allows you to do just that. Did you know that half of all falls from ladders occur during the transition from the ladder to a second surface? Well, folks, we're here to bring that percentage down and tell you about the Safe-T ladder extension from Guardian Fall. The Guardian Safe-T ladder extension system is designed to attach to the top of a ladder to provide a safe and easy transition from the ladder to a raised surface. It requires no tools, drilling, or bolting to install, and is one of the most effective means of improving the safety of nearly any ladder. The Safe-T ladder extension is super simple to use, tightens onto your existing ladder by hand, and won't scratch or damage the ladder to which it's attached. The unit has a safety latch that prevents it from slipping off and is specially designed with cushioned bumper pads to help protect the eave of the roof. Its aluminum design keeps the handles from getting hot in the sun.
Ow.
And those handrails have hand grips for safer and easier use. You can find a local retailer online, and looks like they ring in at about $180. But hey, you can't put a price on safety, can you? For more information, check out Lou's HouseSmarts YouTube channel, and be sure to click that subscribe button while you're there.